Good morning friends, my name is Vinay. Today here I am at MAG office in Maidan. So today I am gonna explain you about the MAG city in Maidan, which is in district 7. Let me show you the location first, where exactly it is. So we have the map over here. This is your Al Khail road. This is your Al Khail road. This is your Business Bay and downtown area. Now where is Maidan? Maidan is right opposite to the Business Bay and downtown. This entire area is known as Maidan. So Maidan over here, you have to take a Maidan street. If you are coming from Al Khail road or anywhere, just take a Maidan street. From the second roundabout, the property you will be looking at, this is known as MAG city. So the location is here. Not only this, the metro is coming up over here and the Etihad railway station. So this would be the spot for the metro and the Etihad railway station. So this project is located in the heart of the city, and there are 5 new world records coming up in Maidan. The first would be, you have the world's biggest mall coming up. That would be bigger than Dubai Mall, which is already under construction. Soon you will be seeing it operational. Second, you have the world's biggest indoor ski is coming up here. Indoor ski already, the world record is for the Mall of the Emirates. They have 300-meter long indoor ski. Here they are coming up with 1.2 kilometer indoor ski. Third important factor, they are coming up with the world's tallest residential tower here. Fourth, they are coming up with the largest singing fountain in Maidan itself. Fifth, they are coming up the world's biggest crystal lagoon. So these are the 5 major factors which are making this property very hot. Let me show you what is there in MAG city. They do have apartments, they do have townhouses, and they have villas. Let me show you the model of this community. So this entire model is for the MAG city. So this is a gated community. Here you have one entrance, the other entrance at the other side. So there is altogether only 2 entrances for the community, which is really good for the community living. This is the amenity section. So you have open air amphitheater, then you have man-made beach over here. This is the man-made beach. Then you have a kind of lagoon over here, lakes you can say, and the infinity pool. Then you are coming up with the community center over here. They have townhouses over here. Altogether around 696 houses over here, which has 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom townhouses. Then there are some apartments what they have launched so far. In that they have launched a studio apartment, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. This is the only building where you have the 2 bedroom apartments. So 2 bedroom apartments are very few. As if now they have launched only 40 units of 2 bedroom. Rest all are studio and 1 bedroom. So this is your villas coming up, around 250 units they are coming up as a whole. So you can see there are independent villas in the center. Here you can see there is a amenity section of the community. They are also coming up with a man-made beach that is here in the community. Now they also have launched the biggest gym over here, and on top of it they are coming up with the infinity swimming pool overlooking at the Burj Khalifa and skyline view. So if I talk about the view from here, this is the exact view you will get from here. This is the Dubai skyline view. So same view you will be getting from here. Today the weather is not clear, so you cannot see the clear sky, but usually it's very clear. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more details you can contact me anytime. The details is there in the description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.